there, this is Elisa with WTI. COSRX moisturizer is super hydrating. Right here, I wash my face, I have some toner and some serum. I'll be adding now this everyday moisturizer. I want you to see the consistency of it. It does feel gluey, sticky, it's a little bit weird, but once it's on your face, you're going to love it. This is great for everyday use. This is super hydrating, and you're going to see that your face looks glowy and radiant. This also provides long-lasting hydration. Since this is made of 92% snail secretion, you're going to see that it relieves redness. It even helps with acne scars, dryness. This is super lightweight, and even though it feels sticky right now, you're going to see that your skin will absorb it, making it look beautiful. I've been loving everything about this all-in-one cream, and I know you will too, and that's my point of view.